Hello everyone. In this video, we tear down the drone's GPS image transmission and the panel above. First of all, let's disassemble the GPS. Since the GPS underneath is a non-slip wire, a non-slip nut, we need to take a plier and clamp it. Okay, let's remove the 3 screws below in turn. This is not easy to dismantle. Let's switch to a smaller tool. Yes, this GPS is now completely separate from the bottom plate. We just need to put it. This base plate. After removing it. Tear down this interface, you can disassemble our GPS the same thing. This is also the case with this image transmission. Next, let's talk about image transmission and the dismantling of the upper panel. First of all, this screw is the same as GPS. There is a non-slip screw underneath. We need to clamp it with pliers. Remove the other 3 in the same way. Collect the screws and nuts. There is also a thread between this sleeve post and the screw, so it won't fall. Let's do this first. And now, well, under this image transmission, there is an antenna. We can unscrew it first. Good to put aside if you want to dismantle the image transmission. There's an antenna connector over here, right? We can unplug the data interface first. Good. At this point, we can remove the upper panel. After tearing it down, GPS in layers, and the entire upper panel will be dropped. Let's switch the interface. Next, let's tear down the upper panel. Start by using a 2.5 hex screwdriver. Collect the screws. Then we can remove the upper panel. Remember where we plugged in the GPS convenient for our next installation. Okay, so it's taken down. Let's put it aside. This is the same as image transmission. This is antenna can be unscrewed. This is an antenna, you can drag it off. And we can remove the antenna part of the layer. Be careful when clipping. Prevent this thread from breaking. In that case, we have successfully unloaded. Okay, if you enjoy this video, subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.